Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the integer n as the input and print n kinds of asterisks based on the conditions. So first we are going to print an asterisk in the first line and then print a grid of asterisks of size 2 cross 2 in the next two lines diagonally, and then we are going to print a grid of asterisks of 3 cross 3 in the next three lines diagonally, and then we are going to print a grid of asterisks 4 cross 4 in the next four lines, and similarly we are going to print the remaining grids, and we are going to print hyphens instead of empty spaces. So now we'll take our first test case. So here n is 5. So according to our conditions, we have to print an asterisk in the first line, and then we are going to print grid of asterisks of size n 2 cross 2 in the next two lines diagonally. So in order to print them diagonally, we have to print some hyphen to avoid the empty spaces. So a hyphen and then a 2 cross 2 asterisk. So now after this, in our third line, we'll have grid of asterisks of size 3 cross 3, and the remaining spaces will be filled with hyphen, and then for the next line we are going to have 4 cross 4 asterisks, so there will be six hyphens before them in order to fill the empty spaces. So we have this grid of 4 cross 4 matrix with asterisks, and then for the next line we'll have 10 hyphens, and we'll have 5 asterisks. So now we have reached the end. So we'll stop here, and this will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. So in our second test case, our integer n is 4. So our first line will have a asterisk, and then for the second line we'll have a hyphen and an asterisk in the size of 2 cross 2, and then we'll have a 3 cross 3 size of matrix with asterisk, and we'll have the hyphens in the empty spaces, and here we have 4 asterisks, and we'll stop here, and this will be our output. Now let's see how to solve this program. First we are going to get our integer n as the input, and we'll have a variable called as hyphen count equal to 0, and we'll iterate from row 1 to n plus 1. So we're iterating through each row, and we'll have s as hyphen count into hyphen plus row into asterisk. So this line will give us these outputs. So it will be stored in the string yes, and after this we'll again iterate, and so here the iteration will be for CTR from 0 to CTR row, and here we'll just print yes, and then we'll change the value of hyphen count to hyphen count is equal to the length of yes divided by 2. So this will be our program.